In front of me is Motorola Edge 16 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. Begin by going into settings and scrolling to tap on location section available here. Now operate it thanks to this switcher to turn it on or switch it off. If you wanna, you can also go into tap menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen twice, and then tapping on location shortcut to enable or disable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!